Home Decor Hub. Welcome back to Home Decor Hub. In today's video, we are going to explore the world of creative vintage wooden animal designs. If you are a fan of rustic decor or simply appreciate the charm of wooden craftsmanship, you are in for a treat. We have crafted list of creative ideas that will add a touch of nostalgia and whimsy to your room. So let's get started. Wooden animals bookends. Add a vintage touch to your bookshelf with wooden animal bookends. Attach vintage style animal figures to wooden blocks using stone adhesive. Paint or stain the block to match your decor and place them on either end of your book collection. Weathered wooden animal planters combine the beauty of nature with vintage wooden aesthetic by repurposing weathered wooden boxes into animal planters. Choose boxes with interesting shapes such as a crate or small chest. Add range hole if necessary, then fill them with soil and plant your favorite flower or herbs. Wooden animal coasters. Protect your surface in style with wooden animal coasters. Cut wooden discs to your desired size and thickness and sand them smooth and paint or stain them in vintage hues. Use animal stencils to trace the onto coasters and carefully paint the design. Wooden animal drawers pulls. Give your furniture a unique and vintage twist by replacing regular drawers pulls with animal theme ones. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you later.